we still value the creation of the hand. So sa amin naman, merong other ways. Kasi ang 3D sa amin is, I can duplicate that. I can easily steal your copy and I can print it anywhere. So yun ang hindi naman maganda sa 3D because the pattern can be used by other people. So ang sa amin naman is, you can still duplicate it, but we still value katulad ng nangyari sa Mountain View sa Film Festival trophy that it was created by hand, by one person. And then they made a mold. They made a mold for it and then they duplicate it. So that is harder to duplicate and hindi basta-basta manakaw. We agree that we can reproduce it, but in other means that you can still it is still a work of art kasi kahit yung pag-duplicate is still a work of art. So, ganun naman sa amin because it is, the work of art is still the best craft.
I'll cite another cultural artifact. The bulol is from Ifugao. It's known as rice that from Ifugao. In Benguet, we have the Solibao. I'd like to cite this as an example that we cannot achieve different effect if we 3D print a Solibao. However, there's an alternative remedy. The miners, they made use of PVC. To imitate a Solibao so that it won't be using wood. The effect is halos pare ganda. Maganda yung effect. And for the bulol, parang something awkward. Magaan, you cannot just leave it in the rice field or parang yung effect ko niya is parang celluloid o kaya parang plastic o kaya So, I go for cultural preservation, yung putting value or adding value to handmade products. Because karamihan pa ang ginagawa sa mga bulol ay ritual yan. Pagka ng wood and serves a purpose namin na part of our cultural practices dito sa Cordillera, especially among the Ifugaos. For that, yung sa sounds ng Solibao, it can achieve the same effect as that of the wood made from wood.
Thank you, Sir. Now, congratulations. You've now stepped into the role of an Imagineer and a disruptor. Paano sarili niyo? Right. That's exactly how Imagineers and disruptors think. It's always going to be an endless negotiation between tradition and creativity, imagination, artistry, and commerce. It will always be endless. And that's where, gusto ko na balik yung sinasabi ko na that's where problem solving comes in. So kayo, you just don't say no because it's tradition, right? Sinabi ni Tatay Julan, as our national artist, hindi mention it pen. Hindi pa sinabing ganito, commercial na yan, wag na. Hindi pa sinabing ganito, bawal yan, appropriation na yan. So, as an Imagineer and as a disruptor, we are going to wear the hat of really a critical thinker and creative at the same time. Talagang kailangan nyo mag-problem solving kasi it's not easy to really work with intangibles, especially with creatives, because there are a lot of things to consider. But if you are able to come up or to be able to provide a solution and eventually design these new products, then you are really disrupting something that will bring you the transformation of an industry at posibleng mas marami makinabang. So, yun yung mga babalansin natin and up until tomorrow, magkakaroon tayo ng mga certain criterion. Baka nga, yung tinatawag ko na 5 lenses of innovation, baka after dito sa Baguio, maging 6 ka. And that's very interesting to know. Next slide. So yan, no? Characteristics. Ano yung pinropose ko problema sa inyo kanina, yung dilemma.